Introducing the Typhur Dome Air Fryer, a culinary marvel that's poised to transform the way you cook and enjoy your favorite foods. Engineered with precision and packed with innovative features, this air fryer is designed to make cooking quicker, easier, and more delicious than ever before. Upgrade your cooking experience with the Typhur Dome Air Fryer and discover a world of culinary possibilities. Click the link below to see the full product specifications and experience the future of cooking for yourself. At the heart of the Typhur Dome Air Fryer is its remarkable cooking speed, which surpasses that of traditional air fryers by an impressive 30%. Imagine being able to whip up a batch of crispy chicken wings in just 14 minutes, sizzle 2 succulent steaks to perfection in only 8 minutes, or indulge in a serving of crispy bacon in a mere 10 minutes. With the Typhur Dome Air Fryer, these culinary features are not only possible but incredibly convenient, allowing you to enjoy your favorite foods without the long wait times typically associated with cooking. But speed isn't the only thing that sets the Typhur Dome Air Fryer apart. Its whisper-quiet operation ensures that you can cook without disturbing the peace, making it perfect for early morning breakfasts or late-night snacks. With an operating noise level of just 55 dB, you can enjoy the satisfying crunch of perfectly cooked food without any distracting background noise. One of the most impressive features of the Typhur Dome Air Fryer is its self-cleaning mode, which eliminates the need for tedious scrubbing and scouring. Simply activate the self-cleaning function using the intuitive Typhur app and watch as oil and stains are effortlessly removed from the top cavity in just 2 hours. This innovative feature not only saves you time and effort, but also ensures that your air fryer remains in pristine condition, ready for your next culinary adventure. Speaking of convenience, the Typhur Dome Air Fryer is designed with user-friendliness in mind. With 10 preset cooking modes, you can effortlessly prepare a wide variety of dishes with the simple touch of a button. Thanks to the Typhur app, you can monitor and adjust your cooking settings from anywhere, ensuring perfect results every time. With access to over 50 recipes, cooking has never been easier or more enjoyable. Last but not least, the Typhur Dome Air Fryer features a non-stick ceramic basket coating, making cleanup a breeze. Say goodbye to scrubbing away stuck-on food and hello to effortless cleanup with this innovative feature. With its non-stick surface, you can cook with confidence, knowing that cleanup will be quick and easy every time. Upgrade your cooking experience with the Typhur Dome Air Fryer and discover a world of culinary possibilities. Click the link below to see the full product specifications and experience the future of cooking for yourself. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.